no that's why for now who say no but the papa na ekono
was your say
abuza from mamu nyina Akwaaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement Kofi be if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce here.
Also Kofi Oduro na sorry for na nkasa no. Man damn verdict. What I say?
Yeah,
yes, no. Na sorry for na who say no, but the papa na ekono.
Was your say
me catch him with Kofi Oduro. So one has one you preaching. Now so by a politics said ya we here. Week ni be 7 days you. But won't come to make a week ni be 10 days. The whole week near 7 days, 7 days the week. But won't come to make 10 days. Till come on you and come on be in Faso wasn't in the end. In Faso wasn't in the end. It's uncle for the when I was anointing you. Only the anointing be to be move. Me kind of ready at your chairman. Politics now do work over the moon. And if I'm so good you. Ometito senamono nkomo abedi fa dum so hu
ya dum ejaye obi aka na no atum kwasi adwene na ba me na adan madu ya gada kwasi adwene na yesa adwuma no akosombo ahye amanipa ye huru ba bia obi an go ajime agasa mom ya mompa yesa akosombo no ahye no eniema be kama kwasi adwene ke kan kwasi aka ne yakoba bia. Tell me, NDC.
Yo, ekoto no mom ne baagi mu e na hwem sika no amebio eno nti nkoda ebrebi eje to kantamanto ame echa sika bi se mfa mwa wonwa omo akwa ahoyehia mu no sika na nkodu om ho eno susu wom afa ne nsase wonu nyina yakwa adu a ode bo no anti wogina so de ne kwagina court afi 2021 eno na court gina asam so saa de tudwa se wodi for enti mfiedu onkotwa wafiase enam so akosa ne ho yare a wa mabio nti na so twenda ho twen no ena no aba bedru ye nrachi ena obedru ye ewo eye enkrayom hyegina bia wodru ye no sabi ne ho mfa no enti wote wheelchair mu na daily guide sis wodi bo no so ho se mam ne sabi ne ho mfa no ampa e se na ne na se atata kakra enti no se ye ka se waye appeal Emma appeal na lawyer for nso so dia kwakodan court se high court no anka se odi ase no kwa wo ye mfonso kwa du omu gina so di bo ma mi didi tu dwade ye ho eti niam bebre to siri wo mu nti no se so asan aye appeal den ya wo hwe se court nso de na no di sem ebeba betu dwa
nyina yetua ne taku sempoa obi akari koko be bag du wakwa ne yama ne 5 million Satam 31 million sunka 300 and something million. Aye, wakwa ne yama ne 5 million. No de abeto nchenedi. No asan fa fom ko. No akwaji 2 million. No de abeto yi Kofi. Sa ya shisika no. Ghana ni sei na Ghana ni pe. Emma Ghana ni me se Ghana ni ho to no. Wonwene hwe. Na so ne ne bere nyina wode ma yese nsem hunu tie ene yese asa wonwene bibia biem na koko kurani akwaji ni sika otuko no kan yese yesika mu ensi dan ensi hwe eno ase da obema ne de atua ne ba fees no na akwaji abeto dem na da ho uwi a waka chensa wa hwe ne ba wonte ne ye wo kanase otom wonte ase first year student ya na esi ebetuo mo kai Your mama ba otua sika we ya yede. Ghana ni enim sa nyansa no onuru ho enti eye waste of money ontua. Because oya Ghana ni nkan. Ghana ni won kaya kamu ni opposition. Kofo ba ye cancellation of basic school fees. Mampani kof enkwada na ye de omo dom mo ye adwuma din aburo ma ho odin so. Kofo na be stop we nyina. Ekosi sai ya yere no ma na kwa wo so fa ye kete kokwa ekosi sai free health insurance free maternal health care ekosi sai kokwa akuafo na kofo onwu omumfuo tukwa nyasi akomo omaduro wa fe nipa a ebegu afuo no so kwa yasa to abatu no Ghana ni adwene mienuru kwan na Ghana ni ya Americani na wa hihye da che de ama no jina ne konso bunukom mia no eno ano no wawie
edemano unya Kamila Al-Hassan ayi teacher ni yo se hwan ya woni akora bi de ba ye o de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJK unim se atintenhu ta woto na wo hwiri treasure unim se atintenhu eta woto na wo hwiri treasure onzo obi anka bi ma o DJK onzo obi anka bi ma sa na wiase ne tie so obi asemba fa we afutuo obi asemba susuka na wonnim de da wanim obi asemba susuka na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no wo be defend DJK sasai Animguase we ya wagu ne ho hey DJK nya nipa asem no wo ka no okromu a me se me DJK no minim de ntia me se me kasa wakama asem me wakama asem ya asa ne ye nya nipa asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam ene de wo me se baby awo no ankasa no baby isu no ko fine na faye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi enka no sade enka ese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al-Hassan ocha krom ha chese DJK na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na ho hye ho no ene una ho hye ho no me say Kamila Al-Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de beba abonten enra me ye video ba akoma na eno ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJK misise wa we awe nsem a o ka fa me ho DJK and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene ewiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al-Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for won fa anya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro esa wo pad saka wide wo se pad na be ye bibia mo
About 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher, and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them.
How long have you been waiting?
Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, because I got here before 6 o'clock, and we are still here. It's 9 something, so it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here.
And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
We just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Or maybe Timikuburu, or maybe leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA Buru another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yen because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact. Yeah, equipping hospitals are not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospitals and they go on and no more say." It is a Kenyan who saying and no man in Abaya. This is a kind of country that was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on funded free seniors most of my comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 dua, they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa, and I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na warning was such a message. Me na me go catch you by John Dramani Mama, so all members come to Mutuana. Yewa. Digitalization, you start to say, yeah, most of the digitalization and talking, it's more peking sika. It's a mamma papa naba, or mamma kinka, and mamma added a mockum. You will come here. And you John Dramani Mama could not, if I say, and can form Gafon catch up say, oh, Gafon, oh, I'm only a kinky and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but Banama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear Koya cried a menu now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now Miss Fiums, hey, Remona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.